Everybody, this is Charles Harper. Welcome to this call. I'm here with Maddie, and we are going to be talking about something that I think you should be ready for. And we've been talking about building a learning center to put all of your videos inside, so that you can not only either maybe you want to bring in more customers, to your marketing funnel. Maybe you want to train your customers. Maybe you want to create a platform for other people to train their employees. This is really going to be one of those things I really think you need to take a good look at. So Maddie, welcome.
Hey Charles, thank you for having me in the show. Yeah.
Maddie, let's get right into it. Let's talk about Coach Zippy. I'm really excited about this and what it can really do for the people who, some people have, Maddie, they probably even have over 100 different video titles already that they can load up and they can put in places like YouTube and video, and they need a platform. So let's talk about sort of what this platform can do for them.
Yeah. So before talking about Coach Zippy, let me give you a small, kind of a brief introduction of knowledge commerce. So I'm sure you must know about knowledge commerce, but let me tell your audience how this whole thing actually works. So let me tell you, like, information is everywhere. Like, people can search for videos on YouTube. People can search videos or information on Google as well. But what is knowledge commerce? When it's the process of sharing know-hows and skills using a virtual platform in exchange of a monetary subscription. So knowledge commerce is like when you are selling your information or knowledge or your skills, and you're just getting kind of a monetary subscription or monetary benefits of by selling the information. So that's how knowledge commerce works. But the problem by sharing videos on Udemy or Coursera or Lynda or other platforms like YouTube, the major problem is there are other people, right? They have their own branding. Your customers can be distracted. You can't make your own list because you can't create your own branding, own recall value. So like the learning management system actually, or platforms like Code Zippy actually, resolve or fill those gaps. So we built this system, to create a kind of a virtual learning experience for your users. So your users won't be able to watch the videos, but they would be able to experience the whole learning, like virtual learning, things. So what you would be able to do in Code Zippy, you would be able to create your own school. When I'm saying school, I'm talking about you would be able to create your own website, own branded website on your own custom domain. Let's say you have a domain name charles.com, so you would be able to connect the domain with a Code Zippy, and you would be able to start your school or your own website in just few clicks, in just a couple of seconds. And you would be just able to change the whole branding. So by uploading your own content or videos on Udemy or other platforms, you are getting leads, but you are not getting you are not able to control your own branding, your own pricing, or your own email funnels or email automation process or formatting. But here in LMS, in your own dedicated learning management system, like Code Zippy, you would be able to do all those things. Like you would be able to create your courses. Let's say you are a beautician or you are a gardener, you are creating course around makeup tips or how to do some kind of makeups, but you would be able to sell your makeup kits by creating a e-commerce store along with your course. So you would be able to create stores, not only stores, but you would be able to brand or customize your checkout pages. So we have a couple of checkout pages templates, so you would be able to customize, or you would be able to rebrand the whole checkout process. As well as let's say if you have a website or you have a school, you have courses, and you have your store, but you want some organic reach, you want some organic traffic, so you would be able to write your own blogs. But right now you are writing blogs on WordPress, but what with CodeZippy, you would be able to do that inbuilt, like our inbuilt system, inbuilt blogging system. So we have inbuilt blogging system as well.
Wow. So wait a
Now,
minute. So
yeah,
so Maddie. So okay. So basically, I can have my video courses in my own school, right? In the platform, and
yeah,
then what you're saying is I can also have a blogging platform also side by side with that video school.
yes, yes. And you have your own store as well as you have your own membership site as well.
So that, oh, okay. So a membership site. So that means then I control the access to what courses they can buy. And then, so in other words, they come to my membership and then they can buy some courses and they cannot buy others. Is that sort of the way it works?
Yeah, so let me tell you how it works. You would be able to control your own whole learning management system. So you would be able to, like sell courses at subscription model.
Yep.
You would be able to sell your course at one-time price. You would be able to high ticket coaching. You would be able to sell those, like high ticket coachings. And let's say if you don't want, like someone to buy or to access a particular course, you can control that. And like the best thing about CodeZippy, we have a centralized community hub. So let's say if you are having a school and you have a particular course, let's say you have a course about how to generate organic traffic, okay? And now the major problem with platforms like Udemy or other platforms or Kajabi, I would say, or Teachable, like this centralized community hub, people are not able to collaborate, people are not able to connect, or they are not able to like ask questions,
Yep.
and they can't. So we this community hub actually, like it's kind of a centralized real-time communication system which works on the real time. Let's say 1,000 people are sitting like simultaneously, and they can communicate, they can talk to each other instantly, and they can get replies instantly. And the author or the owner of this whole system can moderate the whole like community as well. So it comes with like proper controls, it comes with proper moderation processes, it comes with like all kind of amazing features.
So I can control the videos that they see or the courses. I can
Yeah,
also control how much content they see. So I've got a blogging platform. And what you're
yeah,
now saying also I have is I also have the ability to create discussion or community. So this is
yeah,
just like what somebody would have in a Facebook group without all that distraction. So
yeah, exactly.
yeah. So with those three things, and I can do that inside of my school. Can I do that per course, or can I do that in for the school at large?
Yeah, it's per course. So you would be able to like do it per course as well as school. So the people who subscribed or enrolled for your school, they would be able to communicate about like some random posts, and you have this option that, okay, I would be able to post, but my members won't be able to post, or I can make it open so anybody can post, or I can just allow people to comment, or I just don't want them to comment. So you can moderate it in your own way, right? So it comes with the features like Facebook group, but with a all moderation features, so you won't get this, get irritated or disturbed, like
Right.
by some, yeah, some, like some notorious comments, or yeah, kind of content,
Yeah,
right?
that you don't have any control over. Yeah, no, I get it.
Yeah, yeah.
So let tell me this. Let's say I'm a consultant, and you talked about,
Mm-hmm.
let's say you talked about salons and hairdressers. Let's say I'm a coach for
Mm-hmm.
salons. Could
Mm-hmm.
I then, or is there a level that I can go and build a school for the salon? Is that something I can do with this platform, and then
Of
they
course.
would have their own school. I would charge them for the service of putting together their school.
Okay, so you're saying you can create a kind of a category or kind of a like a kind of a school, and your members would be able to create their own schools inside the system. You're saying that, right?
Either that, or would I be able to give somebody their own version? Let's say I bought another license of Coach Zippy. I
Yes.
could then do
Mhm.
this on their domain. Is that something I can do?
So yes, you can do that. Let's say if you are a reseller or agency partner, you would be able to provide like their own schools, and you would be able to set up it on their own domains. So it comes with 100% white labeling features. So let's say if you are a reseller and you would be able to provide a one account, or let's say you have 200 accounts and you would be able to resell those accounts, and your users would be able to create their own schools inside your dashboard, but they will be having a separate individual dedicated dashboard. They won't have this kind of impression that they are being managed by someone like you, but you have the all access kind of. When I'm saying access, I'm talking about you have the access to disable, enable, or control their billing.
Yep,
You getting my
that's
point,
cool.
right?
Oh,
Yeah. So
wait.
that's how it works.
So with the reseller platform,
Yeah.
I can then bill that person in order for them
Yeah.
to
That's
use it. I
we
like that.
in Mintware Suite we have. Let me show you if I can. Can you see my screen?
Yeah, no, yeah, I'm
Okay.
anxious to see it.
Okay. So let me tell you with the Mintware Suite. So we have a suite of 6 products, right?
Hmm.
CodeZippy is the 6th product. When this suite is integrated. This suite is single sign-in. It comes with a unique single dashboard. So we have products like Xfunnels, Zcart, MeetZippy, HQ, Webinar, EverZippy, and CodeZippy, right? And you would be able to access all kind of. Let me show you all apps, like you can integrate at one point. I mean, within a single dashboard, so you don't have to connect apps in all other apps. You just have to connect, let's say PayPal or Stripe. You can
Right.
connect once, and that would be available in all your other apps like CodeZippy or Xfunnels or HQ Webinar, as well as you would be able to create your domains or connect your domain once, and you would be able to use that domain inside your any product. But once domain is used, you won't be able to reuse it because one site is already hosted on that domain. But if domain is free, you would be able to use it in any other apps like CodeZippy or Xfunnels. So we have a very centralized integrated ecosystem, which is like CodeZippy is a part of that. So CodeZippy comes with a reseller panel. So every product has a dedicated reseller panel. Let me show you how it works. So let's say resellers.mintware.io. You would be
Yep.
able to log in with your login credentials. Let's say these are the login credentials, right? I can use, and here we go. Let's say you are a user of you are a reseller of EverZippy, so you would be able to manage or add a new consumer of EverZippy license, and you can manage your license, which license you want to sell. And with the
Ah,
same way,
okay.
you would be able to create or manage their licenses. Let me give you an example. Let's say Xfunnels. I have a couple of users in Xfunnels, let's say, or okay, I don't have, but I can add one. Let's say Maddie, and this is the user, and I can choose FE commercial. I can have active, under review, or suspended, or deactive. I can choose kind of a status of user, and the user would be added. Okay, so now user has been successfully added, and being a I will get an email. Let's say here, madhav.mintware.ventures. I will get one email here in my email inbox, and I would be able to access my Xfunnels account. And being a user, I will not be, concerned, or I don't have any information about who is managing my, who is my reseller. But
Right, right. Yep.
you as a reseller have this option that you can manage their billing. You can put it on monthly subscription, and we are coming up with our own affiliate system very pretty soon. So you would be able to promote our products. See, I got the mail for X funnels. So pretty soon you would be able to, you see,
Yeah.
congratulations, you've been successfully upgraded. Like I had an account, but now I got upgraded to the X funnel, and X funnels commercial. My account, it's saying you can log in and access your account with the existing account details. If you forgot your password, you can click on forgot password and you will get another email. So we have a very integrated and very centralized system, and it's robust because it works with the whole user controls, and everything works with a Google Firebase. So Google is managing our users, so it's pretty secured and pretty solid.
So basically, and this is cool. So that means then I can then sell access to Coach Zippy. They can have their own school, and I have the ability to build them. And if they stop paying, then I can then take I can
Yeah.
cut off their access.
So it comes with the steps. So let's say if they stop paying, you can put them on under review. You can ask them, okay, and they will get a notification on their dashboard. Okay, your billing is just you didn't pay, so please pay or your account will be deactivated in next 15 days. So if it is under review, the day you change the status to under review, after 15 days, it would be deactivated automatically.
That's cool.
So
That's cool.
it works with a auto automatically. So you don't have to do this process manually, but you have to just put the users on under review once. That's it.
Very cool. Now, can you show us what a school would look like with multiple
Yeah,
video
of course,
courses
of course.
inside?
Yeah. So let's say Code Zippy is a platform you can log in, and we have a very identical user interfaces for all our products. So we can decrease the learning curve, or we can reduce the kind of user efforts to learn the new dashboard or new system every time.
Yep.
So we have a very identical system where you people can, and it comes with multilingual features. So we are coming up with German, with Spanish and English, and the user would be able to create their schools in their own languages. Let's say from here, you can create, let's say Charles, or let's say Maddie Duda, and Maddie D. I can have my own email, my kind of a password, email and phone number. I can
Yep.
use this 2010, let's say. Contact person is Madhav. You can click on next tab. You can upload your school logo, your fav icon or school banner, or you
I
can
like
click
it.
on create new school, right? Once you are here, you would be landed on this dashboard of your school. So now you are on your school dashboard. Here you can see you have options: manage, courses, sales, funnels, users, community, settings. And here you can see your school is unpublished, but you wanna see the preview of your school. So you can click here and you can see the preview. Your school has been created automatically. This is the default school with 0 course.
I
But
like it.
now you can come here, you can click on publish. Are you sure you want to take your school online? You said yes, but it will show you, oops, create or publish at least one course inside the school. So you have to click on create new course. So the system is so intuitive, and it is so easy that it suggests you, like, okay, you haven't done this yet, so you have to do this first. Okay, so now let me create a new course. I can create a course like, let's say, Java programming, okay, or Java for for newbies, let's say, right? Okay, or Control C, course title, subtitle is Java is so cool. Let's say this. Category can be information and information technology and software. Author name is Madhav Datta. And now I have these three options. You want to create a blank template, you want to create a mini course or standard course. So let's go with the standard course. So there's a difference in these three. I'll let you know. When you select standard course, it will create a funnel automatically. Okay, once I have created a course, now I'm here on this dashboard, which is for courses. These are the demo sections. So I can click on this demo section. I can change it to introduction of Java or introduction to Java. Okay, like one day, or something, whatever you want to write, like
Yep.
your subtitle or something. Now here you can create your lecture. So you click on this, and in your lecture you would be able to upload your video. So I hope I have a MP4 file. Let me check. Okay, I got this. So I'm going to upload it. Now I can moderate the comments. Either you want users to comment on this course or not. So on this particular chapter, so you can click on like, yes, I want comments. It's updated. And now your file has been added. You can click on save and continue. So you see your file is added here, and you can add text. So let's say you want to add some kind of text here. This is a very cool course and Java. So you can type anything. Java is so cool, and
Yep.
you click on save and continue. Once it's done, you can have the assessment process, or you can add quiz. Let's say when Java got invented. Let's say this is a question, right? And answer is 1973 or 1985, 4, or like 1995 or 1999, and the correct question is 19. Let's say like 1995. You can add more questions, or you can like add this question from here. See, Java got when Java got invented, so you have this answer is correct, and your
Yep.
quiz has been added. But you can add multiple questions, and if you want to add some kind of a programming code here, so let's say you can mention here public static, kind of a code. It is specifically for the technical, like kind of a teacher. So if you are into something else, you just skip it, the code part.
Now, Maddie, let's say that my videos are on something like YouTube or
I'll show
YouTube
you.
Unlisted or Vimeo. Is
Yeah.
there an option that I can then use those in my lecture?
Of course, you would be able to do that. I'll show you. It's very easy. So we have two options. So let's say this is the programming, like language or the kind of a code I have just added here. So now you have couple of things here. You have your file, video, you have the text, and you have the code, and you have the quiz as well, right? You want to just change the position. Let's say you want to have the kind of like text on top and video later, or code before the video, or video on top. So you can change the sequence, you can change the position, and now I'll show you how it's going to look like. So you can click on this. So you have to understand this. This is the page of your school, okay, and this is the page of your course.
Yep.
These both are different things, okay. So this is the course, and you have this introduction, you have this lecture here, you have instructors, like we haven't set up the fees yet, so I'm going to do that now. So we are here and we are on the information page of the course, which is here. You can set up the affiliate commission. So I wanna provide, let's say, 50% commission everyone, and by default the status would be pending, so people can like apply for the like to become an affiliate for this particular course.
Yep.
We have the social preview, we have the branding option, so you can upload the course image. Let me just see if I have any picture of this particular course. Let's say it can be the picture, so I can click on that, I can crop it, I can click on the crop, and then once you have the picture, you can change the kind of like opacity of the black overlay.
Yep.
So you can do that here, and you can upload your promotional video. So let's say if you have a video, you would be able to upload that, so people actually can see your professional like initial promotional video here. And once it is done, this is the video, your professional introduction or kind of a preview.
Yep.
This information is done. In the pricing, you can come here, you have these 4 options. You want to provide it for free, so click on free. So just say free. This is for my users, so say anything, just set it. Now you have a free plan, or you can have a subscription. So let's say you have a US dollars and you want to sell it for $99 per month, and this monthly plan or monthly VIP plan, this is for VIP users, right? Now you can add the pricing. Once you are done with this, so you have 2 pricing now. One is free. The other one is like a monthly plan. Let me check what happened. Yeah. Okay. So if you come to the course page now here, and you refresh it, and come here as well. I think it's not published yet. Let me check. Okay, pricing has been updated. Let me refresh. I think my internet is, what was wrong? Okay, it's being done. My internet issues or server issues, because it's on demo server yet.
Yeah.
So you would be able to change your pricing from here. Let me just see. I think internet. Okay. I think it's working now. Okay. So now see, look, it's working. Java is so cool. Java for newbies. This is your logo, your branding, and the video which you have added in the preview, which is here.
Yep.
You can click on this enroll in the course, and you have these options here. Okay. You can remove $199. You can refresh. Here we go. Refresh.
That's cool.
Yeah. So now it's like free. So you can set up all these things, right? All these things, terms and conditions and everything from here, like comments, coupons, students, certificates, information, curriculum, and everything. And you would be able to customize it. So you can click on customize template. So you would be able to customize your checkout pages. You will be able to customize your success page, your thank you page. So let's say click on the enroll. Let's sign up for free. Your site is not live yet. To launch your site, complete the remaining steps. So let's go to our website, my school. We have created our course already. Let's click on publish. Let's see what happens. Congrats, your course is live. The school is live. So if you come here, maddyd.codezippy.com, and let's make our course live as well. Come to the course. Here we go. Java for newbies. You come here and click on publish course. Once you are published, oops, at least one program overview inside the course. So let's put on overview. Where's the overview? Overview, curriculum. We have curriculum, we have pricing. Let's click on this. Okay, coupons. You can create your custom coupons. Click on students, the people who are going to join your school, certificates. Okay, here we go. Program overview. So you click on program overview, you come here and you will be able to, this is an amazing course or something like that.
Yep.
Java is cool. Okay, click on save. Come to the programming languages. You can add one programming language. Let's say, like Java. Save. Okay, upload an image. So when you're creating your school, you can make it like. Okay, let's go with that. Make it like this. Click on crop. Here we go. You have one language here, or you can add some partners. Partners like you have a partnership with some companies and you wanna showcase, so you can do that, or you can just skip it. Let's go to the main information. Click on publish course. And the course has been published. So you come here on the website and you have one course here, Java for newbies. You click on the course, you have the course page, which has your banner in the background. You can see that, right? And
yep, I see it.
You can enroll for this course like for free. You click on enrollment. You have this Java for newbies. You have this banner. You have this information. You have this, right? You can manage your testimonials in the from the testimonial section of here. You have all these options like affiliates, custom HTML, code snippets. So you would be able to add your Vimeo or YouTube videos from here in the custom HTML. You would be able to do that. You would be able to add it. And look, your testimonials, your FAQs, your partners, your languages, your program overview. So you would be able to do that. So let's say this is like Charles is the director of, of XYZ org or Inc. And this is so good. Go with it. Or something like that. You can upload an image of, let's say, okay, let's take this picture, crop it. I'm sorry, I don't have any other picture. So I can just take it. You can just take this picture. Here we go. You can click on save and it's done. Here we go, this Charles. And you come on this page here. The course page, you would be able to see that. See, Charles,
Nice.
this so
yeah,
good.
no, I like it.
And
I
you
like
have
it.
more testimonials, or more stuff. You can do that. And you would be able to customize this whole page. Or right now, let's say if you are here, you can, as a user, I can fill it and I can just click on the proceed to checkout. And after that, once I'm successful, because it's free, you got the leads. Thank you for your order. Click here to log in. and I would be able to get my login details, right? I can click on this, or I got the email from the website. You see this? This is my password, and this is the URL I can sign up. So you can come here, you can use your email address, you can enter your password, you can log into your website. But now the real thing, I'll show you the real, thing of the power of Code Zippy. So you would be able to see, this is the course, these are the other courses. So you can showcase all the courses here. So this is the course which you have, like my courses. So click on this. This is the course which you bought or you
Yep.
got enrolled in. But you click on the dashboard, you have this whole community hub of this particular school, right? So let's say, hey, you don't have any engagement here. So but you have permission to post, hey, I wanna know about know about marketing or about Java. You can upload your image or something like that. Let's say this image, you can upload it. Okay, image is being uploaded, you can post it. So hey, I want to know about Java and your image along with. So people can come here. Java is so cool, right? They can upload a video, they can upload a kind of a link of the video, and it would be done like this. And post. So you see this, it has been posted, and it is with a video. So you are actually creating a real-time community of users. So people are sharing information, knowledge on your own, in your own group. And
I
this
like it.
hub can be controlled. You can like it. You see the comments. You can delete it. Being a user, you would be able to delete your comments, your post, but not other people's post. But the admin would be able to do that. Let's say right now you are online, right? You see, you're online. But let me show you something crazy. You can come here on Opera, right? You're here, and it's MADD. Okay, let me just open it here. And let me copy. I'm sorry, I'm taking much time, but I want to show you these features. So, okay, or any other. If you go paste up. Oops. Nadi d.codecp. Here we go. And now you would be able to log in here. Email is Madhav. Click on the login. Here we go. Now you see, okay, I'm logging with the other same email account. But if you would be able to, if you use other email, you will see the online members. And if there are more than 10 people, you would be able to see the number of people who are online. And
Oh,
if
that you
you
can
would be able
interact
to,
with. Right. Yeah, I get
you
it.
can interact, you would be able to see the real-time communication when somebody's just typing here. So you would be able to see that, like, somebody's typing, and like all those crazy amazing real-time features. So that's how it works. And let me show you something like this. Okay. Let me log out from here. Here we go. So you can actually, log into the centralized system of Mintware, and you would be able to connect multiple apps. Like you would be able to, manage your, connect your MailChimp, GetResponse, ActiveCampaign, all those apps
Oh,
from here.
cool. Very cool.
You would be able to connect your payment gateways. You have the miscellaneous integrations like with Zapier and all.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
it's a centralized place, yeah. And
Okay.
many
So,
more features, man. It will take hours to
oh, I
explain all
know.
those
I
features
get
like
it.
funnels, users, settings, sales, courses, and all those things. You would be able to manage your website from here. Like when I'm saying website, I'm talking about themes, I'm talking about domains, navigation, social preview, instructors, pages, comments, custom tags, code snippets, all like so many things. And you have
Now,
all the things here as well. Like you would be able to change the language in French, in Dutch. So like you can see the notifications, you can see the wallet here. You would be able to see the tutorials. So we have centralized tutorials here, like Code Zippy. Click on that, and you would be able to see all those tutorials, like 7 articles, modify your school theme. And we have step-by-step guide here, so you would be able to, and with the proper GIF, so you can see like how it works.
very cool. So now this is not going to be um, now this is not going to be available forever at a one-time price, I'm guessing.
No,
So
of
at
course
some
not. Of
point,
course not. Of course not. It's like it would be available till 31st of January. That's the plan.
okay.
And you
So
see, one stat here, opt in the last 30 days one, the sales in the one. It's because it was a new school, and somebody just like joined here, so it's showing the real-time stats, how many people are online, like the real-time stats, like so cool, like from which country, from which place, all that.
so for the people that are watching this, they're going to
Hmm.
have about depending on when they see it, they probably got about 6 or 7 days to get it at a
7
one-time
days.
price. Yeah,
Yeah.
before they actually because obviously, I mean, it's well worth it for them to pay a subscription for a platform like this, but probably just for the launch period, it's going to be available as at a one-time price. Do I have that right?
It is, we are within 7 days you would be able to buy it at one-time price, and premium, like as well as the premium features. When I'm saying premium features, I'm talking about email broadcaster, I'm talking about email automation, I'm talking about drift feeding, I'm talking about all kind of integrations, and so many other features like premium features. So we are offering all the advanced features as well as premium features at one-time price. But in the OTO one, we have a monthly subscription license as well as the one-time license. So you can choose and you can go with. But one time would be just like for 7 days. After 7th day, or after from the 1st of Feb, it would be no one time. Like our
Wow.
other
Okay.
products, they are not available at one-time price at all.
Yeah. No. So this is something that, folks who are listening, I mean, you really want to go ahead and get access to this. And if you're in my audience, this is something that you can do with your video content. You can actually upload your
Yeah.
content to the platform. And Maddie, any final words? So is there anything that people who have a lot of video courses, what would you want to tell them in closing? So as we close this out, and the people who are on the fence, but they've got a lot of video courses, that they never get around to
Yeah.
selling,
Content, I
what
would
would you
say
tell them?
content is, yeah, I would say content is everywhere. Like people have a lot of information, and if we are talking about information, so it's all about information. Like it's everywhere. It's within you. But if you're not encashing it, if you're not using it to generate some sustainable, some like solid business revenue or some business model, I mean, you are losing something. So what I would suggest, just use those videos or utilize that information to to create a very awesome virtual learning experience, and start monetizing it. That's what I suggest, and we are here to help you. If you are getting stuck somewhere, you need any help, or if you need a one-on-one, like kind of a call or any suggestion, I would love to help, or I would love to suggest, or assist you. So
Awesome.
I think this is time to get started. Yeah.
Awesome. Well, everybody, this has been Charles, Harper, and Maddie. We are talking about Coach Zippy. And once again, depending on when you're hearing this, you probably have to the end of the month of January to get access
Yeah.
to this before this goes to a monthly subscription. And even if you see this after this and you want to get this subscription, I would suggest even you go ahead and do it because, I mean, it's a way for you to then, as Maddie said, start selling your video courses. So with that, everybody, thank you very much for being here. Maddie, thank you for your time. We appreciate you showing us Coach Zippy.
Thank you, Charles. Thank you so much.
All right,
Thanks for your time,
everybody.
man.
Yep, have a great
Thank
day
you,
and a pleasant
everyone.
tomorrow. Take care.